Hello and welcome back to KERNOW EXP. Today we're out for a walk and a drone flight and we're down near the Lizard in Cornwall. So hello, hope you're all good. So yeah, we're on a walk today and we are down near the Helford River, which is the Lizard part of Cornwall, folks. So today we're going to go for a bit of a walk and we are going to go and fly the drone. So come with us, shall you? Let's go, folks. So the audio should be coming through crystal clear. Lovely stabilised footage. So yeah, hope you're all good. Hope you're enjoying the videos that we've produced already this week. We're making use of the good weather. Now there is a few big showers coming and going. But yeah, we should be all right. Okay, so let's bring the gimbal down a bit. So we are the Lizard side of the Helford River and we're heading towards Headland Point. Now, I don't know if we're going to make it all the way or no, but we are going to try. But we'll go as far as we can. And if it rains, we're going to have to seek shelter, folks. So, yeah, I think it's 50% heavy showers. So we've just got to make the most of the weather, haven't we, folks? You know, it's a time of year where we expect this sort of thing. Yeah. So I hope you're enjoying the new quality video. And we're using the DJI Pocket 3 and we've got the mic system with the new, is it mic 2? The mic 2, isn't it? Yeah. I think DJI is going to bring out the kit that goes with that before too long, which would be quite good, wouldn't it? So we're out tomorrow night, possibly with David. We've got a couple locations to just go and have a look, basically. Not really sure which one we're going to choose right now. It all depends on the weather, folks, really. God blimey, that's all done up now, isn't it? Bloody hell. That was all like run down last time I was here, which was a while back. Oh, there's another building up there. That looks quite old. Good Lord. Never noticed that before. Now, this area was utilised during the war for a decoy site to try and draw the Germans to bomb here rather than Falmouth Docks. So it was a decoy site. Now I'm not sure we're going to make it to there today because it is a bit of a walk and I am a little bit ill prepared really, but we've got enough battery. The drone has got all of its spare batteries with it, folks, so should be all good. Yeah. So down here we had a look with David and Adam from Two Wheel Exploration at a potential World War II kind of barracks, but we don't think it was. I think it's more of a, well, I was told actually afterwards it belonged to a school. There used to be a school down here. Now, I don't really know much more than that, to be fair. But yeah, so we'll walk past that in a minute. We're not going to go down and have a look at that, I don't think. I don't think it's worthwhile. I think it's set for demolition. It could be started to be demoed by now. So we're going to do possibly a couple more big paranormals before Christmas. We're going to be using the thermo camera and we will be doing a few more lives again, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed what we did the other day. David was cool, calm and collective. Mind you, that was during a bloody storm, folks. When we left that there Stanton shelter, we was blasted by the elements because it was blowing a bloody hoolie, you know. Right. So I think this area is called Gillen. I've probably mispronounced that, but you can probably guess where we are. So, yeah. It's nice to see the sun. You know, we haven't seen that for a day or two, have we? well, we got our army boots on today, so when it's off-road stuff, it's kind of pretty essential, really. So the DJI Air 3, that little video I did of setting it up has done very well, so I'd like to thank you all for watching that. We're going to do a version for the Mini 4 Pro. Not really used that a great deal, to be fair, but the reason I bought it basically is because it's unrestricted. What I mean is I can fly over towns and villages where I'm allowed to fly, basically, because the other drone you are a little bit restricted to where exactly you can actually fly that, because you're not allowed to fly over people and things like that. So, but yeah, one of the subscribers suggested, well, said that we would be impressed with the Air 3, and I'll tell you one thing, folks, I am, without a doubt. So there's these old buildings here that are associated with a school that was up there. Can you see that? So yeah, we've had a look at that already, so it's just been basically neglected. So yeah. Now this Pocket 3 that we're using right now, oh man, it's such an awesome piece of kit. I know they said about overheating and all, but we've been using it quite a bit, and it's just worked out of the bag, out of the box, faultlessly, folks. So I'm so impressed with it. So, but there's that place down there, look. Can you see that down there? Yeah, interesting, isn't it? Right, let's continue down here, shall we? Right, so the tide is in today. Don't know how far we can go with this walk, but we're going to try to get an hour's video if we can, folks. It's going to take bloody ages to upload, but it don't matter. I've warmed up now. That's good, isn't it? So these are anti-tank, we believe, these two blocks here from World War II. So here we are. So I hope you're all ready for Christmas. I think, well, we got a tree up now. Well, a makeshift tree. I think by Monday, Tuesday we should be ready. Should have got presents and all that for everybody that needs a present, and family-wise and friends and crew, you know. I think this year we'll probably have a buffet on Christmas Day. But I think we were talking earlier with Mrs. KERNOW and Mum about having a roast dinner on Boxing Day, and maybe something like that on Christmas Eve as well. I don't know what you guys are doing this year, but whatever you do, I hope you have a nice crimbo, as we all like to do. I think I might get some gin and tonic again this year. That'd be quite nice, wouldn't it? My mother-in-law enjoyed that last year, so I think we'll get some more, because that was right good. Yeah, very nice. Right, so the tide's in, so we might struggle now. Oh dear. Are we going to struggle? I don't know. Maybe. Oh, it looks like the tide was been up here, look at that, folks. Bloody hell. I didn't think it was that high. What an amazing place, isn't it? Look at all the weed here a minute. That's crazy, isn't it? Oops, slipped a bit then. Slippage. Right, so we'll just pan you guys that way a minute. So the tide is in at the moment. Pretty good stuff. So I'm not filming you. Oh, doggo. I'm not filming you, don't worry.
It's right, you don't do anything.
We love doggies, don't we? Hey? Dear little fella. Dear little fellas, wouldn't they? Right, okay. Just had to say that we weren't filming them because it could cause... Because some people don't like it, do they, folks? Do you know what I mean? Right. Let's have a look up here. It's like a little mini harbour there, isn't it? The National Trust. Yeah, okay. Oh, seagulls. Right. So we came down here one evening with David and Adam from Two Wheel Exploration, and because we were on our way to Babunker, which it's not that far away. I don't know if we can make it there today or no, but we may. I'm not saying we won't, but we may. We may. Let's have a look up here. Some kind of like fortification, isn't it? Like, let's have a look. So I reckon when it's really bad, it probably bashes over here. Do you reckon? Probably was a cannon here maybe at one time. So there's looking back over there. There's a machine coming down. Yeah, so this looks like it could be defended. Defending the creek here. Right. So, looking dead ahead, we've got St Anthony's Head there. You can just make out the lighthouse. I don't know if you guys can see that or no, but that was featured in a kids programme called Fraggle Rock, and I remember that as a child. And then obviously you've got this headland in front of us here, but if you look beyond that, there's a castle there. That's Pendennis, folks. And those houses in the distance there, I don't know if you can see them or no, but that is St Mawes. Quite interesting. So we've got this little creek here, and now we're going to try something that we did ages back, so hopefully we can do this. So let's have a go. Let's have a do. Let's see if we can do it or no. Quite a posh area around here, as you could imagine. Right, okay. So can we do this? Can we do this or no? I think so. Let's give it a go. Are we going to get spotted? Probably. There was a way through here. Right, I might have to cut the video in a minute, but we shall see. Yes, here we go. We're sorted. A lot of people do use this, so it's all good. Ooh. Right, let's go. So a lot of the locals do this, and the landowner does allow it, so it's all good. It's all good, folks. I think there's a sign up here. There should be. Are you local? I am on a Wednesday. Right, here we go. Now if the landowner didn't allow it, they wouldn't put that there, would they, folks? Look. Footpath. You see that? Very nice. Very nice. Oh, God. Getting old. All right. Yeah, it's been a Been some coastal erosion here, which is to be expected really. Whew. I'm getting pooped already. Not even started yet. Hope you're enjoying this walk with KERNOW EXP in KERNOW, aka Cornwall. So we've got to go up here now. I've got to get my breath back. So that's where we come from. Down there, my handsome. Ass yo. That means yes, pard, or yes, mate, in Cornish. Now, whoever built these steps, they must have been drunk. Or unless it was a real short person. Look at it a minute, it's crazy, isn't it? I just can't even get my foot on it, look. It's mad, isn't it? Isn't that mad, folks? Anyway, let's go. Little steps. Blinking heck. Alright. Little steps. Take forever more to get up. Alright. Whoa, whoa. Slipperage. Whoa. Right, okay. I don't know how long the battery's going to last. We've got the extended handle on, so I'm hoping we can get a fair distance. I'm hoping. He hopes. Whew. Little steps again. Blinking heck. Whew. The old pump. The old heart is pumping, folks. Oh, yeah, no. Oh, yeah, whatever. I'm talking up my ass. Right. Okay. Back on track. Here we go. This is it. Oh, oh my God. Right, just calm down a bit now. It always gets me, that. Always. Sorry about the heavy breathing if you can hear it. I'll try and not heavy breathe. Bit unfit like, yeah? Yeah. Let's just check what. I have 30 frames per second, that's alright. That's acceptable. Yeah. Yeah, so last time we came here, which is a few months ago now, we brung the drone with us, not the one we got now, the old one, Air 2S. And for some reason, the DJI Fly app thing kicked me off. And it said you had to log back in. I think it was after an update, to be fair. So last time we came here, we couldn't really fly the drone to its full potential, which was an utter pain in the you-know-what. Now, I don't know how far we're going to go with this, because there's a steep bit down here. I don't know if I can get down that, because it's going to be really slippery. And we really don't want to fall and get mud all over us. Not really. So we're going to play this bit by ear. So it might be the case that we just go down here a few more meters and fly from there. But we'll survey the path in a moment, and we will make a decision. Now, I do have my army boots on, which are quite grippy, but even them may not save me from slipping, which is not recommended, is it, really? Look at the sun minute, folks. Look at that. Wow. It's like a summer's day, almost. just a bit colder, so. Alright, I do waffle a lot, don't I? Bleeding hell, man. Well, anyway. Yeah, so this place is historically important. Yeah. It's been reported that some German bombers did actually drop their bombs here. I think there's more than one, to be fair. It's like a series of like metal frames, and they put flammable material and oil and what have you there. And what they did is they, when they heard the aircraft coming over, or when they was telephoned from Pendennis or whatever, they would light the fires and have smoke coming up, so that would draw the Germans to drop their incendiaries here, which is very interesting, I think. So you can see a lot more now, folks, because like during the summer you couldn't see down there hardly, but you can now, which is rather nice, I think. Yeah. Now we're going to have to make a decision in a minute whether to proceed or to backtrack. So at the moment we don't know, but we will find out. Now, I know it's going to be a slippery one, so yeah. It would be nice to get down there today, but we shall see. Right, today's date is it's the 8th of December 2023, so it's almost 2 weeks to Crimbo, and still able to get out and do this, folks, which is good because we did have a cold snap there. Right, so as you can see, look, it's quite steep here. We are going to have to take it easy now, so I will go as far as I can, but I don't know, actually it might be alright. It might be okay. It doesn't look that bad, to be fair, on this bit anyway. Looks a bit different now than what it did earlier this year. This was all like trampled up. Don't think many people have been coming down here of late, by the looks of it. I think the worst bit is coming up. Right. So I'd just like to thank all the new subscribers. Thanks for joining. We, as you may have noticed, we do upload quite a bit. I think next year we're going to concentrate on doing longer and better videos, to be fair. So on that side of things, the videos may slow a little bit because it's obviously it takes a long time to edit. So, you know, we're going to have to. I think the longer videos are better, to be fair. Now that we've got the technology to do it, we may as well do it, innit? Like today. Today's video is going to take a while to upload, but it don't matter. It doesn't matter, folks. Yeah, okay. Well, if I just keep going like this, we're going to make it. So it's all good. I'm glad I got these army boots on. So the NCI have a lookout down here. Now I don't know if we're going to make it there. I can see it from where we are anyway. It's about a mile from where we are, roughly. If we can get there, then obviously I will, but I think more than likely we'll fly the drone over the top. That would probably be the best practice. We slipped there a bit. Whoa. Right. Yeah, I think we'll find a spot, a nice little spot where we can fly from, so that'll be good. We probably won't make it physically to the point, but we will get the drone over the top, so that's all good, folks. Yeah. I'm not going to go in the bunker today because we've done that a few times. So all is good. We're now leaving National Trust land, which is damn good for me, because obviously we all know that the Trust don't like people flying drones from their land, so we won't be doing that today from their land. Oh shit, Jesus, see that? I slipped there. That wasn't very good. Right, so we've got some steps here, look. Right, okay, let's get up the steps, yes? Very nice. There we are, we're up, up and away. Right, more steps here. Take it steady, steady. There we go. Right. Oh, definitely boggy here. I don't think anyone's been here today. There's no fresh prints. We might be the first people to step foot there. Right, okay, so it's a bit slippery here. Oh, fuck. Saying that and I slipped right away. Okay. Alrighty then. Right, so we're coming to the end of our walk now. But don't worry, straight after there will be a drone flight, so that's all cool, isn't it? Hey? Yeah. Timeless spot, isn't it? Timeless. Excuse me. Oh dear. Right. Okay. Whew. I'm glad I got a drink with me. I shall need that in a minute. Right. Right, so I'll just get my breath back a minute. Oh. Okay, so that's the end of the walking section. Now for you, it'll be instantaneously, you'll have a drone video, but for me, it'll probably be about 10-20 minutes yet. Anyway, enjoy the drone footage. See you in a bit. So we're on the way back now. We've done what we wanted to do. We've done some good exploring, and we've got the drone up as well. So thank you for watching. We're just going to get down to the bottom of these steps now, and that will be the end of the video. So we've got a lot of other stuff coming, folks, but we're going to start thinking about quality rather than quantity now. I'm sure you guys would agree with that, because we've got such a great canvas here in Cornwall. I've got to make the best of it. So in the new year, you will notice that during the week there won't be that many videos. There will be, of course, one or two, but like I said, we're going to be doing quality over quantity. That's going to be our goal for next year, basically. So you'll be seeing better quality videos from us. Now that we've got good kit, folks, we've got the latest technology, basically. So we need to start using it to its advantage. Like this device that we're on now, the Pocket 3 by DJI. It's an awesome piece of kit. I do believe as well we're going to be starting to do a lot more in 4K. Yes, we all know it takes ages to upload, but I think it'd be worthwhile going forward that we think about doing that. And obviously there's a lot of other YouTubers out there that do shoot in 4K, and obviously it will take ages to upload. We know that, folks, but like I said, we've upgraded a lot of the kit of late, and next year we're getting a new laptop at some stage, which will have 3 terabyte storage, so we'll be able to produce even better content from here in Cornwall. So we've got to go with the times, haven't we? You know, we've got the kit, so why not use it to its advantage? So that's what we're going to do. Also, there's going to be 360 stuff coming from us in the new year. I've got the camera with me, but I've not used it yet, so I think I need to get a better SD card for it, because the one I got is not very good. It's only a 32 gigabytes, so it's not really, it's okay for a short bit of video, but we want to be able to get a decent amount, folks. So yeah, there's going to be 360 coming from us in the new year. We're going to keep the format as it is for now, but like I said, in the new year things will be changing for the better, so that'll be good. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today. We've definitely pushed our boat out today, so we're just going to walk down here, because it's open to the public, folks. I know this is private land, but there's a sign there saying footpath, so they're obviously allowing it. It's there, look, there, look. See that? Footpath, yeah? Very nice. So it is lovely down here. Hope the mic's doing its job, because it's a bit breezy there. So we'll stop the video down at the beach, I think. So yeah, of course, another factor as well before we go, weather, folks. The weather is a big factor to us. I know we ride a motorbike and we do ride in the car with David, but if it's pissing it down, it's just not a very nice place to go outside in it, really, is it? But we will continue to bring you the videos from down here. Of course, we're not going to stop any day soon, ever. So, but sometimes, if it's bitter and it's cold, we just don't want to go out, basically. you know. Right, here we go, up and over, sorted. Look at that lovely building, an old fish dry or something like that, I should imagine. Some old boats there, look. Oh yeah, boat adventures will be coming back in the new year, and bigger, better and stronger, I think. So when the weather improves, you'll be seeing a lot from us for doing that, because me and David thoroughly enjoyed it, and Sophie and Chris, the crew. Right, so this is the end bit now of our walk today. So I'm going to sit down now, give my bum a chance. If the seat's wet, then so be it. Right, well that is it. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, and if you are new, please subscribe. It really does help. And if you love Cornwall like most people do, then you're going to love this channel. Anyway,